This is my PayPal account I created not long ago in an unsupported country, and it has not been linked to any bank account or any card, but still I'm able to withdraw money directly from my PayPal to my mobile phone. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to withdraw money from your PayPal account directly to your mobile phone without using a bank or a credit card. So if you are new to the channel, hi, I'm Steven. On this channel I show you guys how to make money online using just your phone and your laptop. So if you're interested in such content, make sure to subscribe. So in order to make this happen, that is to send money from your PayPal account directly to your phone without using a bank account, or to send money from your phone directly to your PayPal account, we are going to be using a website called China Tech Pay. Now with China Tech Pay, it is available in my country. I don't know if it is available in every single country, so you guys can just go ahead and check it out. So what I'm going to do is you open a new tab and you are going to search ChinaTechPay.com in a search bar and just click on enter, and it's going to bring you to their home page right here. So what you're going to do is, this is their home page. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on register to create a new account with this particular website. So after clicking on register, it is going to bring you to this very page right here. So we are going to go ahead and fill out this form. So this form says we should fill out our username, our email, the country we are in, our phone number. Now listen, with the phone number, since I'm in Ghana, we have a payment method called mobile money. So you're going to fill it out, or the mobile section, with your mobile money number. That is the number used to withdraw mobile money. And what you're going to do is you're going to create a new account, and you're going to fill out this captcha right here. That is 365641, and you just click agree. So I'm going to go ahead and create an account and then come back to you guys. So after your account has been created successfully, it is going to bring you to this very page here, and you're going to be asked to complete your profile by filling out your first name. So let's go ahead and complete the profile right here by filling out your first name, your last name, your email address, your state, your zip code, and city. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill it out. So after filling it out, you're just going to go ahead and click on submit. Now it says registration process completed successfully, and that is basically it. Now after you're done creating your account and creating your profile and everything, it is going to bring you to this very page right here. So when you land on this page here, it says KYC verification. Dear user, verify your account to help us prevent fraud. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on verify here. So let's just go ahead and verify accounts before we can proceed with anything on this website. So here it says the front of your ID card, the back of your ID card, and the type of ID card. But here's the thing, here's the case. I've already created an account with this particular website, so sending mine the same ID card is going to be a really big problem because they're not going to allow it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the home page, or I'm going to log into my old account and show you guys how this actually works. So what you're going to do here is I'm going to click on account, then log out, and I'm going to log in into my actual account to show you guys how this actually works. So I just logged into my actual account, and this is how it is going to look like after you're done verifying with your ID card or any form of identity card they want you to provide. So after you're done with that, they're going to be sending you an email to verify that your email is actually being owned by a human and not by a robot. This is basically your dashboard. If you click on dashboard at this section, it is going to bring you to this page right here. Now this dashboard section shows your approved exchange, your pending exchange, your cancelled exchange, and basically all your exchange you're going to be doing with this particular platform will be here. So right here you can see we have home, we have exchange, we have tickets, and we have withdrawals, and we have my account. So with the account section, you can see we have affiliation, we have commission logs, we have profile settings, 2FA security. So we're going to be forgetting about these for now. So if you click on the account and click on affiliation, it is going to bring you to the affiliate program section. Now when you copy this link and send it to a friend of yours, and when your friend creates an account with this particular website, and when your friend makes a withdrawal from their PayPal account, you're going to be getting a portion of that particular money. So you guys can use this as a source of making income, let me put it that way. So we are just going to be forgetting about this, and let me show you guys how to actually withdraw money from your PayPal account using this particular website after creating an account with them. So we are going to click on the home section. Now with the withdrawal section, I'll show you guys how to do that very soon. So if you click on the home section, this is where you're actually going to make your exchange. Here you can see it says you send. So you sending the money is you sending the money, and then you get is the amount of money you yourself are going to get Do you guys get what I'm trying to say? If you guys don't get it, just follow along. You guys are going to get it very soon. So now in this section here, I'm going to click on select currency, so you guys can see the platforms I can withdraw money from, so that you send this your own platforms that are outside let's say China Tech Pay. So with the platforms, we have the Binance, we have the mobile money, we have the Pay, we have PayPal, we have TRC20, we have the web money. So all these platforms are platforms that you own that are outside China Tech Pay. What I'm going to do is this. So let's say if I select PayPal here and I type in, let's say $100, and I go to the very bottom, it is going to show me the amount of money I'm going to be getting if I select the type of currency I want the money to come in. So if I should select mobile money, that is what is available in my country. So if I should select mobile money, they say I'm going to be getting this amount of money, that is 700 Ghana cedis. Now this is what I want you guys to know. If I type in $100 at the send section, that is you send, it is going to take the money from my PayPal account and send it to the you get section, which is my own mobile money account. I don't know if you guys get what I'm trying to say. So what I'm going to do is, after typing the amount of money you want to withdraw from your PayPal account and the amount of money is going to be received into your account, you're going to click on exchange, and when you click on exchange, it's going to bring you to this platform or a different platform at this section here. Now listen, I can't believe I forgot to tell you guys this. If you are logging with your email account, I want you guys to log in with your PayPal account, just to avoid any things that might come along the way. So I'm going to go ahead and fill out my mobile money details. That is your number. You confirm your number, you confirm your name, you select the network you are supposed to be using. That is, if you are using an MTN, it's going to be free. If you are using Vodafone, they're going to charge $0.5 fee. Airtel Tigo, they're going to also charge 0.5 cents fee. And if you scroll to this section where it says, do you agree to receive SMS, I'll suggest you click on no, because it's also going to charge you a certain amount of money. Now I don't know if you guys notice this, because the amount of money, that is $100, the amount of money I'm going to be receiving is extremely, and I mean extremely low. In some way I understand them, because we don't have a bank account, we don't have a credit card, and on top of that, PayPal is not accepted in our country. But yet still, we have found a way to withdraw money from our PayPal account. So frankly speaking, I don't care the amount of money they are going to be charging when I'm going to withdraw the money from my PayPal account. So I think it is a fair deal. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and fill out this section. After you're done filling out your details, just go ahead and click on confirm exchange. So what it is going to do is, it is going to send you to your PayPal account. That is why I said, when you are logging in or creating an account to this particular website, log in with your email account that you use to register on your PayPal. So basically, you have to log in with your PayPal email account. Now, since it has redirected me to my PayPal account, you're going to click on login. Alright, so now as you can see here, it says the total amount of money I'm supposed to withdraw from my PayPal account is 110 USD in order to receive the amount of money I want in my China Tech Pay account. So right now you can see my details and everything has been provided here, but I don't have any money in my PayPal account. So if you have money in your PayPal account, it's automatically going to bring out this form, and just click on pay now, and the money is going to be sent to your mobile money or to your phone directly, bro. So if you want to cancel the transaction, just go ahead at the very bottom here where it says cancel and return to China Tech Limited. So it's going to return you to the page. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how to send money from your phone to your PayPal account directly. Now I want you guys to pay attention closely, because it is a little bit tricky. So we are going to go back to the home section, and at the send section, we are going to select the currency, and we're going to select our mobile money, since that is where we want to send the money from. So we are going to send, let's say, $2.99, and we are going to select PayPal at this section here. So it says we are going to be receiving 24.99 USD in our PayPal account. So you are sending from your mobile money, and it's going to go to your PayPal account as 24.99.92. So you're going to click on exchange. So after you're done clicking on the exchange section, you can see here it says sending details. We have the mobile money, we have the currency you selected, we have the amount of money here, the charges. It says no charges, but there's definitely some charges attached to it. And now that I think about it, if you are sending money to your PayPal account, there is no charge, bro. But if you are taking money from your PayPal account, there are charges attached to it. So here it says the receiving detail is PayPal USD is a currency, and this is the amount of money you are going to be sending, and there is no charges. So this amount of money you're going to be receiving in your account. Now if you scroll down to this section here, it says PayPal wallet number or ID, but basically all what they are trying to say is they need your PayPal email account, and you confirm your email here. Then you go ahead and select the country registered your email or your PayPal account in. Now don't worry, select the exact country. Look, I'm in Ghana and PayPal is not supported in my country, but I'm going to go ahead and click on Ghana here, and here it says it's your PayPal business or personal. I'm going to go ahead and click on business since it's a business account, and I'm going to go ahead. Here it says it's your PayPal account, new or old. It's a new account, and here it says have you used to receive payment before? No. Top up purpose, I would say personal use. Now after you're done filling out the form, I'm going to go ahead and click on confirm exchange. Now this section is a little bit different and a little bit tedious, so you guys should follow carefully. Now this method, since I'm in Ghana, is only available on a specific network, which is MTN. So if you guys are using MTN, this method is only available for MTN. Keep it in mind, this method is available for only MTN users. So what you're going to do is you're basically going to send money from your MTN account to your PayPal account. But what it's going to do is it is going to come to the China Tech Pay app first, or website first. Then it's going to be sent to your PayPal. So what you're going to do is you're going to dial *170# just like you're sending money, and you're going to press 1 to transfer money. You're going to press 1 again for Momo user and enter the number we have provided here. So you're going to enter this number right here into your, the option that pops up, and here it says confirm it again and enter the amount you want to send. Enter your username as reference. Don't use a number or anything else, but use your username as reference. And here it says enter your PIN to send the money. So after sending it, what you're going to do is you're going to take a screenshot of it. You are going to come to this section here, and you're going to click on choose file, and you're going to send it as a proof that you have sent the money to this particular number, and just going to click on submit, and basically that is it. Oh, and I forgot to mention with this section here, sometimes the money can come into your China Tech Pay account and you would have to withdraw it to your PayPal or to your mobile money number that is directly to your phone. So in order to do that, you come to this section here where it says home, exchange, tickets and withdrawals. You click on withdrawal and click on withdraw money. So with this section, it's only available for money that is in your China Tech Pay account. So you're going to go ahead. Here it says withdrawal balance, which is 00 USD. Now I'm going to click on, let's say I'm going to send, let's say $100, but I first of all have to select the payout option first. That is where I want the money to go to. So if I want the money to go to my PayPal account, I just click on PayPal, or if I want the money to go to my mobile money, which that is what I obviously want, I'll click on mobile money, and this is the amount of money I'm going to get when I'm taking the money from my China Tech Pay account to my mobile money. And I'm going to go ahead and fill out my mobile money details right here again, and just click on submit, and you're going to send the money from my China Tech Pay account directly to my phone. And that is basically it on how to withdraw money directly from your PayPal account to your phone without using a bank or credit card.